Hello, my name is Abu Talha, and this is my project presentation. The project I started the name as a sustainable project management and implementation of zero waste. So moving to the next part. First of all, the introduction. Zero waste stores aims to addresses the plastic waste crisis by eliminating single-use packaging. For example, fewer and integrating ESG principles ensures a holistic approach to sustainability, benefiting both the environment and stakeholders. For example, Chima and Langa 2022. The project's success relies on balancing environmental, social, and governance objectives through innovative practices. Moving to the next part, project scope and objective. Scope. First of all, the scope. Implement zero waste stores in urban areas, targeting reduction in plastic waste and promoting sustainable consumer behavior. Then objectives. In objectives, achieve environmental sustainability, engage the community, and uphold ethical governance practices. And the third one is critical insight. Traditional retail models often neglect sustainability, creating a Nike for zero waste stores to lead by. So this is the work breakdown structure overview. First of all, project phase. In the project phase, we have first of all initiation, planning, design, implementation, monitoring and control, and then at the last it's player. And there's the second one, ESG integration. It's embedded in each phase from stakeholder engagement to sustainable supply chain design. For example, Venezuela and Escobar 2022. Critical insight, a fragmented approach undermines sustainability, hence we ensure ESG continuity across all phases. So this is the zero waste stores project. So this is our work breakdown structure. First of all, in project initiation, planning phase, design phase, implementation phase, and monitoring and control project layer. Uh, Next to it, work breakdown structure, detailed breakdown, ESG integration, specific tasks such as supplier assessment and LCA planning incorporate ESG criteria, Mondela et al. 2017. The second one is decision points, critical approval stages, project charter, project charter, design and closure determine the alignment with ESG goals. Then the third one, critical insights, early and consistent decision making ensure ESG objectives are not sidelined during project execution. So this is our process map overview. First of all, phase in project initiation, then we have planning, then we have to design, then implementation, and then monitoring and control, and at the end it's clear. So there's a flow, visualize the sequential steps emphasizing the integration of ESG at each decision points. So the third one is critical insight. A clear process map prevents operation inefficiencies and ensure ESG alignments from the start. This is our breakdown structure as well. Moving to the next slide. So this is the process map, detailed steps. ESG integration step like sustainable procurement and stakeholder engagement are critical for achieving ESG goals. Step, for example, 2008. It's in 2010. Sorry. Decision points, key moments where project direction is confirmed, ensuring ESG criteria are met before proceeding. Third one is critical insight. Regular ESG reviews at decision points can misalignment and ensure long-term project sustainability. So moving to the in details, environmental focus on reducing waste and utilizing sustainable materials. We have to focus on the reducing waste and utilize sustainable material, how we can use it to in the environment. In the social, engage the community and train staff in sustainable practices. uh, so how we can engage the community to train that we use that. In the governance, implement ethical procurement, fair labor practices, and transparency in operation. So as the at the governance level, we have also to implement these ethical procedures, fair labor practices, and transparencies. As a critical insight, ignoring any ESG component can lead to reputational risk and undermine the project sustainability efforts. So we have to not ignore any one of any ESG component. So it can you can say it can lead to bigger risk. So we have to not ignore that. Ignoring anything ESG component and can that can lead to reputational risk, undermine the project sustainability project efforts. The next slides, the risk management and sustainability metrics. Risk management, identifying and monitoring risk related to supply chain, customer adoption, and regulatory compliance. The second one is sustainability metrics, tracks KPIs like waste reduction, consumer engagement, and supplier performance. In the critical insight, effective risk management is essential to the complexities of sustainability in retail. So these are some case examples. For example, in Germany, community engagement led to a 30% increase in repeat business, according to STAPE 2008. The source bulk foods in Australia, local sourcing reduced transport-related emission by 90%. The critical insight, these examples highlight the tangible benefits integrating ESG in zero waste stores, setting benchmarks to success. So these are some examples that if we don't ignore the ESG, our business will repetitively lead increase. Uh, Next step. So this is the conclusion. First of all, in the summary, ESG integration at every project stage ensures a balanced approach to sustainability and business viability. The second one is success factors: strong stakeholders engagement, sustainable governance, and multi-year supply chain management. So these are some factors that led to that this is the success factors. If we have a strong stakeholder engagement, so it will definitely boost our project. Sustainable governments and multi-year supply chain management, that will boost our business. The third one is critical insight: ESG driven projects do not fulfill sustainable but also create a competitive edge in an increasingly conscious market. So we have to critically look at that ESG driven projects not only fulfill sustainable but also it create a competitive edge in an increasingly so moving on the last, these are the some references which I came, for example, Chima Langa 2022 Environment, Social, and so these are all the references. Thank you so much for the time. Thank you, sir.